Builders today, and I want to show you guys today how you can buy Chainlink, or Link, how it's called. The best way to check where you can buy a cryptocurrency is to go on coinmarketcap.com, and there you can type into the search the cryptocurrency that you are looking for example Chainlink, and then a window opens that looks like that, and you can basically see a price chart. And you can click here on market pairs, and then you can see where it's actually traded. And for Link, the most popular exchange to trade it on is Binance. So it has the highest liquidity. For example, in the last 24 hours, Link worth more than 700 million was traded on Binance just against USDT alone, and then another 46 million against BTC. So it's way more than on Coinbase, for example, or any other exchange here. And the biggest advantage is basically that you can easily, with a high liquidity, you can leave a position and open a position very easily without adjusting the price too much. So you get actually the best price if you trade on a high liquid market. And so if you want to trade it now, you need a Binance account. And if you don't have a Binance account, I put a link down in the description that you can use. And with that link, you will actually save 10% on fees. And if you use BNB, the Binance coin, to pay your fees, you will save another 25%. So you can save up to 35% on fees if you use that link. And the good thing with Binance is you don't really need to verify yourself. So you can just open a Binance account with your email address and a password. Then you need to verify your email address, but you don't need to verify your personal information. You only need to do that if you want to deposit fiat currencies like euros, for example. So once you have a Binance account, you can actually start by depositing cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies into your Binance account. And so you can just click here on bank or credit card. So here on fiat, you could, for example, do a bank transfer and wire money to Binance. Or you can also deposit money via Visa or MasterCard. But you have to keep in mind that, I will move that to the side, that it's way more expensive to use your Master or Visa card, and it costs at least 3% on fees. A wire transfer is currently free of charge. However, you need to be verified to do that. Another way to do that, where you don't need to be verified, is if you just send Bitcoins or any other currency to your Binance account. You can just do that if you choose the currency here, and then they show you an address where you can send it to. And once you send it, you can find the currency in your Binance wallet. So it's basically very easy to do, and also very fast, depending on the network. So once you have currencies in your account, you can actually start trading there. And if you want to buy Link, you can do that here. So it really depends now what currency you have in your account. So for example, if you would have BNB in your account, you have to look if you can trade Link against it. And you can't. So you actually need to have Bitcoin in order to do that. If you have any other currency, you need to trade them against Bitcoin. So you have to know, or you have to keep in mind, that you basically can trade all currencies against Bitcoin on Binance. So sometimes you have to do 2 trades in order to buy the currency you want, depending what your starting currency is. Okay, once we have that market here, it's a spot market. We could also trade futures. That would be a contract, but we wouldn't buy real Chainlink, but we would buy a contract, and we could do that with high leverage. However, if you just start out, it's easiest to start with trading spot markets. Then you can just click on trade here, and then a window opens where you can actually see the order book with the sell orders, and in green all the buy orders. Here you can see the price chart. One candle is 1 hour. You could also change that to 2 hours, for example, or 30 minutes, or whatever you prefer. Then you can see here the latest trades. And then you can see here basically the area where you can enter your position that you want to open or that you want to close. So first of all, it's best to open a spot position. Cross and isolated would be a margin trade. So you need to borrow some money in order to do that. And if you just start out, it's way more complicated and you pay an hourly fee for that. So if you just want to hold it in order to profit from the price going up, it's easiest to trade spot. And there you could do a market order or a limit order. And a market order is basically an order that gets executed immediately. So for example, if I buy 10 link, click on buy link, you can see the order was executed immediately on buy, and you can sell. See here, I have 10 link now. You could also sell them easily here again per market order, and it's gone. A limit order is a bit different. You can enter a price where you want to enter a trade. So for example, if the price of link drops to 70,000 Satoshi, so 0.0007 BTC, you can click buy link, and you would see here under open orders, and my position would be open and would be only executed if the price drops to that price. However, you can also cancel it anytime. And now it's gone. And you could also do that with a sell order. If you want to sell link, and you can say, okay, if the price goes up to 80,000 Satoshi, for example, you want to sell your link. So that's basically how you buy link on Binance. If you have any questions about that, feel free to use the comments down below. And if you don't have a Binance account, feel free to use the link to save on fees that you are paying on Binance. And if you like the video, I would be very happy with a thumbs up, and if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.